Hi, everyone, and welcome. Today I'm going to take you through a sight reading as if we were all in class together and we were doing it together. You can see that I'm logged into my sightreadingfactory.com account, and I'm sure that you all have one of these by now. But please note that today I'm just doing a practice, so I'm going to hit Start Sight Reading. If you were doing this by yourself and you were actually working on one of my assignments, you would not hit Start Sight Reading. Instead, you would go up to Assignments and then click on the corresponding assignment. But for right now, we're just practicing, so I'm going to hit Start Sight Reading. And next, I have a few choices that I have to make. I have to choose my voice as my instrument. Next, I'm going to choose a voice part. For today, I'm going to say that I'm an alto. Next, I'm going to choose a level. If you're not sure what level you would be, go and look in the grading nicknames document that you can find on Google Classroom and see what level I recommended that you should do next. For right now, I'm going to begin with a level 3. Next, I'm going to select a time signature. Any of these is fine. I'm just going to hit random. And a key signature, same thing. I'm just going to hit random and free play. Now, as soon as I'm into this sight reading, my brain starts working. I start thinking, what could I do to most accurately perform this sight reading? And with that question in mind, we're going to take a look at the sight reading tab here. So the first step that I recommend for you is that you listen to do and locate do on the staff. Okay, well, I can press this little tuning fork here to hear my do. And I know that in all of these examples, since these are just basic examples, that I'm going to end on do, which in this case, I can see means that I'm also starting on do. Okay, what's my second step here? Sing the tonal finder. So at this point, I do something to get myself oriented in the key. You may sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, or you might do like a song that you already know, do, do, sol, sol, la, la, sol, or you might do the actual tonal finder if you know it from chorus. Do, mi, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, ti, sol, do. Okay, next step would be practice the difficult pitch jumps. Okay, so I'm looking back at my screen and I can see that between measures 1 and 2, I have a jump of do to mi. I'm going to check my work to make sure I did that right. Do, re, mi, do, mi. Sounds good to me. Now in the middle of measure 2, I have mi, and my next note is sol. I'm going to sing up to sol. Mi, fa, sol. So measure 2 would go mi, sol. I'm looking through the rest of the song to see if there are any more skips, and I don't see any, so I should be good. Next, I can see that the step 4 is to practice the difficult rhythm patterns. Well, in this case, I see a rested measure 2 followed by a do, do day. I'm going to speak that a few times. Rest, do, do day. Next, I'm going to speak that on solfege. Mi, sol, fa. Okay. My next step is to establish a tempo based on the most difficult section of this sight reading. Just looking this over, I would say the most difficult section could be maybe measure 3 or measure 6. So I'm going to speak my solfege at 3. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol. Seems like I can go about that fast. If I was not successful at this tempo, I would slow down the tempo like this. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol. Next, I'm supposed to tap the top number of steady beats. Okay, so I'm going to be tapping 3 beats today because that's what my top number is. And then I would begin. Okay, I'm going to begin the song first with 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, do. Mi, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol. Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, do. Now keep in mind that you could repeat those steps that we went through today as many times as your heart desires. Best of luck practicing sight reading.